Or up. Kylie, turn it off. Turn it off.
It's cold out there. You got a countdown now?
What? I don't know. It's only 2 episodes. You like it. It's only 2 episodes.
Okay. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.